I'll take this.
There's the smoke detector? Well, that one I think scent. This one's the smoke detector and the sprinkler. Smoke detector and the sprinkler. Let's go see the fire alarm. Okay.
What's the difference? I'm white.
That's the fire alarm. They pull it. Only the fireman pulls it, okay? And there's the fire alarm. And the vent. Let's see if we find any more. There's more. Look. Smoke detector and sprinklers. You see it? See in the men's room? Yeah, there is. All right, let's go see. Don't touch that toilet and just wash your hands. Now I gotta wash the hands again. Let's go see if there's any more. There's one all the way up there. See it? See it all the way up there? There's another smoke detector. Let's see. Any more? You see one? I don't see it. Oh, I see. There's one. Smoke detector. Yeah. Smoke detector in Noodles and Company. You see another one? Oh yeah, there is another one all the way up there. Let's go this way. See any more? Oh, there it is. See any more? There's the exit, emergency exit. Oh, there it is. Oh, it blinked. Did you see it blink? All right, say bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye, YouTube. No.